everybody, and welcome back to TheErinSpace. This is a very special episode because, oh my goodness gracious, we are down at Disneyland, but not just any kind of trip to Disneyland. I'm doing a whole staycation weekend in one of the DVC rooms here that they have that is Sleeping Beauty themed. I got down here this morning, I checked in, I had lunch, I went to the pool. It is amazing. So this video right here that you clicked on, it's gonna be a room tour, but I'm gonna give it to you tomorrow because I wanna spend the whole day in the room. Well, maybe I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek right now. This is the sneak peek. Oh, it's such a good room. It's such a good room. Make sure you watch the whole video because there's so much cool stuff here. Holy guacamole. Here's my favorite sneak peek I'll give you right now. Look at the closet area. Why is it so cute? Oh, because it's Disney. Okay, full tour coming up. Oh, I love it here. I love it here. So thanks for watching. Maybe give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying and subscribe to the channel because there are going to be more videos coming out. We have Season of the Force happening down here. We have Pixar Fest happening down here. And we have amazing hotels happening down here. And I'm going to show it all to you. So subscribe and thumbs it up if you want. But if you don't, that's cool too. Okay, stay tuned. Room tour coming. Hello, it's the next day. I have now been in the room for pretty much almost 24 hours. I think I found all the secrets, all the little nooks and crannies. Excuse my voice because I was also out at Disneyland until midnight. I met up with a friend of the vlog, Carly, and we actually closed the park down, which was kind of amazing. And then instead of driving home, I just walked back to my room at Disneyland Hotel. So it's been an amazing stay. I want to show you around the room a little bit. And then right now, they weren't able to do room service. They said they were running short with a server, so it's okay. They gave me a really good alternative, which was to go to the Tangaroa Terrace, do a mobile order on my phone, which I did, and that's gonna be ready in like 20 minutes. And it looks really good. I got this like avocado toast thing that wasn't on the room service menu. So I'm gonna take you along for that. We're gonna go pick up our breakfast and I'm gonna show you around what truly is one of the most magical rooms I've ever stayed in. The only other time I had a magical room like this was also at the Disneyland Hotel. But this one is so, I just feel like, yeah, I feel like I'm home. So let's go pick up our breakfast and then get a little bit deeper into this really nice room, including all the little what's behind this wall, pull down bed right here. They have some cute things. I mean, everything's cute. Everything's just cute. So let's get breakfast and then I'm gonna show you around. Love to be able to wear the shorts. Let's go pick up our breakfast. Yeah. was an ordeal, but I got my breakfast back in the room here. We got the avocado toast, but it's on special Hawaiian bread. So I think that's gonna be pretty yummers. With scrambled eggs, smashed avocado, and I got an orange juice. And I put it on a real plate because my room comes with real plates in the little kitchen area right there. So why not put it on a real plate with real silverware? And I'm gonna sit right there, and don't mind my clothes, and have my yummy, yummy breakfast. This pulls down into a bed, but I'm gonna eat this and then give you a full tour. Holy cow, I don't know what I thought this was gonna be, but it is so stinking good. So much better than I thought. The avocado and the egg, and there's a little cheese sauce on top, is so creamy. These are little pork medallions. They're so good. And then this Tonga Hawaiian bread that it's all on is like slightly sweet. It is so much better than I was expecting, y'all. And the ordeal about getting it just was, I mean, I had to wait a long time, but oh, holy guacamole. It's really, really good. And I'll put a little description down below right here so that you can see really the name of it, how much it costs, because if you stay at the Disneyland Hotel and go to Tangaroa Terrace for breakfast, dude, my dudes, you gotta try it. It's so good. Okay, let us commence with the room tour. So when you first walk in here, you have a nice little open entryway. Also all hardwood floors, which I love and I'm a huge fan of. But yeah, it's nice and big when you first walk in. It's messy now because I stayed in it, but I know all the ins and outs and all the light switches because there are a lot of light switches. Starting with these first two right here. So these turn on your hallway lights right here. I'm gonna save the bathroom but it does have a nice barn door here, but I love the bathroom, and there was something really cool in there I discovered last minute that I loved. Got a big mirror right here, so you can check your Disney fit before heading out the door. And this is part of the new renovated DVC Tower villas, so it is set up like you are gonna be staying here for an extended stay, which is kind of cool. We got our little temperature thing here. Turn it down. We got Jabba the Hutt that I bought last night. P.S. Follow me on Instagram. I vlogged my whole night at Disneyland, including buying this guy and closing down the park on my Instagram, TheErinSpace. Fun! But yeah, this is the bulk of the room right here. Right to the right, you have your little kitchen area. So you got a refrigerator, microwave, a Keurig, which I used this morning. And again, because this is DVC, you got cups and plates. It's how I was able to enjoy my yummy, really yummy avocado toast on a real plate. What's up here? We got a that's your ice bucket, and then a toaster oven. First cutesy touch right here. So my room is Sleeping Beauty themed. So here's where you can hang your stuff, or they had two. I'm using one over there, but there's two Disneyland Hotel robes that come with the room. But look at the inside of the wardrobe, you guys. Look, it's like little woodland creatures. The woodland creatures in there. Look at the rabbits at the bottom. It's so stinking cute. So I was just like, oh my gosh, what is that? I love it. This is just more storage. Safe area. It comes with two beds, so there's extra bedding up there. There's also an ironing board and iron. More space. But yeah, this was cutesy thing number one, the woodland animals. Really large area in here too, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more drawers. A really nice big TV. Welcome home, Fitzgerald family, with the temperature and the date. And this is where you can go and get all your parks information for the day, but a really nice giant Samsung TV. We have some of our first power outlets here and another light switch. Boop. Turns that light on. But yeah, you got outlets, you can plug your USB in direct. 1, 2, while my charging things were happening. Look at the backsplash though on the wall. It's so stinking cute. It reminds me more of like Alice in Wonderland than Sleeping Beauty, but it's really cute. I really thumbs it up, appreciate it. A couple of seating areas here. If you have kids, I'm sure they'd want to play with these too, because you can like kind of roll them around like that. But 2 little seats there. If you want to sit and do your makeup for the day, can do that. Got the phone area, another little seating area over here, like a little bench. This doesn't pull out into anything, but you know, you can put your bags on it or just chill on it in the morning. And then right above it are the first of the really cute artwork that I saw in here. So there she is. It's kind of glary, but you get the gist. This one's cool, comparative size. I wonder if I let me close the curtain. I'll be right back with you. So I closed the curtain. I thought maybe we could get a little bit better view of the artwork here, but maybe that's not gonna work, but it's really cute. I like this one. It's like drawings before they were actually finished. It's kind of neat. And then we got our ladies down here. Spoiler, they're gonna make a reappearance in this room in the coolest way. But yeah, just a little art gallery above this little seating area. I did close the curtain so you can see probably how much darker the room got because it is a blackout curtain. But yeah, kind of like standing in the other side of the room here, you do see this is plenty of room for a family or 2 grown adults. This right here pulls down into a bed. I'll show you that in a second. But this is the main bed right here. Super comfy, as always. I slept great. I noticed this too on the carpet. Once upon a dream. It says once upon a dream on the carpet underneath the bed. It's too precious. You have 2 side tables here, which are really nice. There's USBs and outlets on both sides. And then both of these little lamps here next to the bed, you can turn on and make as bright or as dim as you would like, which is kind of nice. But let me show you this one light I found. Turn this one off. So I was like, oh, another light switch. Let's click it. I know you are one of you. You know the song, Once Upon a Dream. It's the Disneyland Hotel, so of course they have to have a cool lighting fixture above the bed. And this one is Sleeping Beauty's castle. Let's turn this light off. You can really see it. It's Sleeping Beauty's castle, and it's all lit up. How cool. So that's a really neat touch. I really liked it. And it provided good light for the room. More good light. But let's open up the window because when you open the curtain, the blackout curtain, there is not a view, y'all. There is not a view. I'll tell you exactly what kind of a room I'm in after, but there is no view here. This is your view. So if you get one of the rooms that I got on the back side of the tower, there's no view. But I was okay with that because I love the interior of the room, and I was at the park literally all day. If I wasn't at the park, I was at the pool. So no view is no big deal, I think, for me. It depends on what you're coming here for. But yeah, let's continue. So we had all of that, nice little seating area, cool bed, cool lighting fixture. This couch, I came back in the midday after I finished using the pool because they have a gorgeous pool. I used this for a little bit just to relax, hang out, took a little afternoon siesta in my Disneyland Hotel robe. But yeah, this pulls down. Let me pull it down and show you what it looks like. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy, that pulled right down into a second bed. I'm just here alone and I did it, no problems. You just move that thing to the side, take the little sofa pillows off, and then it really just folds right out. But you can see, then it just becomes like a 2-bedroom room, which is nice. But above the second bed is this amazing artwork. Look at her. Look at her sleeping. And then she's dreaming of dancing with him. And it's got like the little numbers down there. So this was probably a number, maybe 059 is the cell number. But that's what hangs above the second bed. And of course, another light switch. Boop. They get their own lights too. So yeah, very cool. I didn't sleep on it. Friend of the vlog, Carly, wasn't able to spend the night. So we don't know how that bed comfort-wise was, but it looks pretty all right. But the main bed, glorious, love it. Ooh, look how bright it is now because I opened the window. But yeah, there you go. The little kitchen area, the 2 beds, nice TV, nice sitting area. It's a really, really nice sized room. With one last thing to show you, the bathroom. This is what I always go to first in a hotel room. And this one did not disappoint. When you first come in, right to the right, is just a room for the bathroom, for the toilet. Got a nice piece of artwork in there. Towels, trash. This can slide. So now if you are married and one of you, or you're here with your partner and one of you has to use the facilities, the other person can still be out here. But this shower, y'all, this is a giant walk-in shower, which I used yesterday. It was amazing. You had rainfall, you had just the shower head that comes off. It came with the Disneyland Hotel shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It came with this little bench. So what I did yesterday, just to rest my back, I put this on full blast heat, 100%, and it got nice and steamy in here. And then I was able to just sit and almost use it like a sauna. Super, super, super nice shower. My bathing suits, like I said, they do have a nice pool area too. I used that yesterday. It's hanging up and drying. Let's come out here. Nice little sink area. Whoopsies, I slammed it. It's okay. Nice little sink area here. I like the sink, but then turn off the lights. I discovered when you turn on just the smaller light on its own, it turns on these ladies. Look, there they are again in your mirror. And they're like casting a spell. Look how cute. Look at them. I love a Disney touch like this. So make sure if you stay in these rooms, really make sure you're looking in every nook and cranny, because Disney doesn't mess around with theming. We know. We'd be knowing, but yeah. Turn the main one back on. So yeah, nice, not huge, but nice bathroom. Again, if you're staying with a smaller family or just 2 adults, you're good to go. And that is the room at the newly refurbished Disneyland Hotel, DVC Villas. And this is the Sleeping Beauty themed room on the 7th floor. It's always sad times when you have to have your bags packed, even if you're just doing a one-night staycation. I'm enjoying the last of the room here. Put the bed back up, having a cup of coffee, just kind of like relaxing here. It is 10:30, checkout's at 11. Yeah. But we have more staycations and vacations and parks and tours and theme stuff going on at the TheErinSpace. So it's sad, but also more adventure awaits, so it's exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions at all about this hotel, the Disneyland Hotel, the towers, this again was the newest Discovery Tower. It has the DVC villas and suites in it. You can stay in them as DVC members, or you can also just buy the points or book it. So you can stay here even if you're not a DVC member. Spoiler alert though, breaking news. I am a DVC member. What? Separate video on that coming up. But yeah, you can stay here if you're not, but I am. And so technically, this is kind of like my weekend home, and I plan on utilizing it a lot, as well as other resorts coming up down the pipe. But yeah, if you have any questions at all about anything about DVC, Disneyland, Disneyland Hotel, this specific room in general, leave me a comment below. I'll answer them all. I'm here to help you figure stuff out, so you're not walking around the rooms looking for the light switches like I did a little bit last night. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, I will catch you in the TheErinSpace. Bye for now.